Hello everyone, this is your tutor AB and today we're going to be solving a problem from the IB May 2019 examinations. This is an additional higher level problem and it's a paper 2 question. So let's get started. Question. Let L be the tangent to the curve y is equal to x times e to the power of 2x at the point 1 comma e square. Find the coordinates of the point where L meets the x-axis. So we know that L is the tangent, right? What is the tangent? Tangent is nothing but the slope. And how do we get the slope? By differentiating the curve. When we differentiate the curve, we can get the equation for the tangent, and then by substituting the relevant points or the values for x or y, we get the value for the slope. So let's do that. Let's differentiate the curve. We get d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of x e to the power of 2x. Now how do we do this? Well, the left side just becomes dy by dx. It's an implicit differentiation. And on the right side, it's a product rule, right? We say here product rule. So how do we do this product rule? Well, we keep one, differentiate the other, plus differentiate the other, keep the other. So how do we do this? So we can say that we can keep x, then differentiate e to the power of 2x, which is nothing but 2 times e to the power of 2x. Then we can keep e to the power of 2x and differentiate the other. So it's 1 times e to the power of 2x, because d by dx of x is just 1. Alright, that's our equation of the slope. Let's simplify it further. So we simply get e to the power of 2x, we factor that out to get in the middle 2x plus 1. Okay, yeah, there we go. Now this is our equation of slope, not the slope itself. Now how do we get the slope? Well, we know that it's a tangent to the curve at this point. It's at this point. So we can substitute our known value for x at the point and we can get what is the slope equal to. So for x is equal to 1, which is the point they gave, right, we can find out what is the value for the slope. So we get e to the power of 2 times 2 plus 1, which is nothing but e to the power of 3 times e to the power of 3 times e to the power of 2. That's our slope. Now what do we do with this? They're asking, when does the tangent cut the x-axis? So for example, your tangent is going to be a straight line, right? Let's say the curve looks something like this, and that's the point we're getting a tangent for. The tangent would cut the straight line at some point. There's an x-intercept for that tangent. So they're asking us, what is the x-intercept? This is just a rough sketch. Okay, so how do we do it? Well, we need to find out what's the equation for this tangent, because this is just the slope. We need the equation of the tangent. So that would be something in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, where we know m, we need to find out c. M is nothing but our slope, right? So how do we find out c? Well, we have 2 points here, 1 comma e square. So we know both the x and y coordinates of this particular point. So we can substitute that all in to solve for c. So we know that y is equal to e square, m is equal to 3e square. Then we know x is equal to 1. So we know c is equal to negative 2e square. That's the value of c. Now using this, let's form our final equation. So we know that y is equal to m, which is 3e square, x plus negative, so not plus, we can just say negative 2e square, because plus minus becomes minus. This is our equation of the tangent equation. So what do we do with this? We know whenever something cuts the x-axis, its y value at this particular point is 0. Y is equal to 0. So let's substitute that in and just solve for x. So in 0 we have 3e square x minus 2e square. So let's rearrange. So we get 2e square is equal to 3e square x. Now let's divide both sides by 3e square, 3e square, 3e square. So we get finally 2e square by 3e square is equal to x. So x is equal to 2 by 3 because this e square cancels. So x is equal to, in decimal, will be 0.66667. But we of course need to give the coordinate, right? They're asking us for the coordinate of where it cuts, so it will be, let's just give it in fraction form, 2 by 3 comma 0. That is the coordinate. Let's say, yeah, that's the coordinate. Please do like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.